What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to see if somebody blocked you on Instagram. So this method is a bit different from the one on Twitter, but it still can be done. So as you can see, if you're trying to search up the name, it may not come up, and unlike Twitter, they don't have a feature where you could directly just go to the @. So what you're going to want to do is just go to a random post on the Explore page, and then tag them, and use their exact username. So you have to know their exact username so you could type it out. And as you can see, when I try to type it out and mention, it'll say that I can't mention them. It says it doesn't allow other people to mention them, but there really is no other way to disable that. That's just Instagram's nice way of saying that they've blocked you. And there you have it. Like I said, a little bit more complex than Twitter, but it can be done. Just go to a random photo on the Explore page. Nobody's going to care who you're tagging. If you did find this tutorial helpful though, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to the growth of my channel. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.